We continue to crochet a little bunny, and now let's make the body. We made the legs in the previous part, and now we make 3 chains between the legs. 1, 2, 3. Attach another leg with a slip stitch and make a chain. And this is the beginning of the first round of the body. And now we make 12 single crochets on the first leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 single crochets between the legs. 1, 2, 3. 12 single crochets on the second leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 3 single crochets between the legs. 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch in the first loop of the round and a chain. And now we have 30 loops in the round, and we make the next 5 rounds without changes for 30 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 28, 29, 30. A slip stitch and a chain. We've made 6 rounds, and in the 7th round we make 2 decreases on the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 28 single crochets. For 1 single crochet in each loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 27, 28. In the next round, we make 4 decreases with 5 single crochets between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, decrease, and 1 single crochet, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make, without changes, 24 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 23, 24. A slip stitch, a chain, and it's time to start to fill the toy with fiber fill. In the next round we make 4 decreases with 4 single crochets between them. 1, 2, decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease. 1, 2, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we attach the hands. 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Take the first hand, a loop on the hand and a loop on the body, and we make a single crochet through the 2 loops. 1, 2, 3. Then we make single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take the second hand one, 2, 3, and single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round, we make 4 decreases with 3 single crochets between them. Decrease, 1, 2, 3. Decrease, 1, 2, 3. Decrease, 1, 2, 3. Decrease, 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch and a chain. Cut the thread and now we can make the embroidery. Here is the pattern, and this time I will make it in bright colors. The body is ready, and see you in the next part.